Hey guys, in this lesson we are going to see how to round a double to the nearest int value in shift. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and create a new double. Let say my value is equals to 55 dot, let's say 54 dot 56789. Now to round this, I'm going to go ahead and create a new variable called my new value is equals to, now we have to use the function called round. Inside this we can pass in this double variable. Now let's go ahead and print our my new value to see what will happen. You can see we got 55.0. Okay, now if I change this value into 54.1067, then let's see what will happen. We got 54, but you can see there is a dot zero. That means this is a double variable. How we can convert this into integer? For that we can go ahead and say int and then parenthesis. Inside parenthesis we can do this rounding. Now let's see, it is just 54 now. Okay, this is it for this lecture and I will see in the next lecture. Thank you.